What's up, guys? It's Coach Drew, and today I want to break down one of Kawhi Leonard's favorite moves that I call the circle sweep, shot fake, and go. Now, a lot of you guys know that your coaches don't like you dribbling the ball, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, so it's important that you get efficient and effective by learning how to play out of the triple threat. Kawhi Leonard is one of the best in the game at scoring with simplicity, so today I'm going to show you one of his favorite moves. Now, the first move that you have to be able to do is you have to actually be able to sweep into a shot. So if he's here, he keeps the ball protected on his hip, he kind of rocks back and forth right here, and sometimes he'll fake a sweep through, keep his foot planted, and then go from that weird stance and actually shoot it. Now, you have to practice this in order to make it in games, but he obviously puts time and energy into it, but he'll be sitting here, fake the sweep, jump up, land on balance, stay on balance, and he knocks down that shot a lot. If you start making that consistently, obviously your defender's not going to let you have it, and they're going to start reacting to it, and that's when you use this move, the sweep, shot fake, and go. So now, again, playing with your defender, you're reading them, you circle sweep, keeping the ball outside, you circle it through here, and you act like you're going to shoot it by raising your eyes and your hips at the basket. This right here will get your defender to rise up, then you can circle back down, put the ball on the floor, and either knock down a mid-range shot or finish at the rim. One more time with this circle sweep jab. Again, mess with your defender, keeping the ball on your hip, circle it. Again, you're looking down, then change, get your hips to rock up, show the ball while not raising all the way out, full extension, but keeping your hips a little bit loaded, keep your pivot foot down, explode through, release the ball, and then make a play, whether that's a jump shot or attacking the basket. Kawhi Leonard uses it all the time. If you work on it, you can too.